This second part of the video shows you how to top your pizza dough. Open up your hand and place the dough on top. Place gently into your hot pan. Try to spread it out so it gets all around the pan. At this stage, give your pan a little shake as to center the dough. Start with your San Marzano tomato sauce, spreading it evenly in the middle, leaving 1 centimeter away for the nice crust. Next, you need to dust on your Parmesan and Pecorino mix, as well as your Datorino tomatoes. Place them evenly in an abstract way. Now place the mozzarella evenly and all around the pizza. Use the mold and salt provided and sprinkle some all around the pizza. It doesn't matter if you get it on the crust, it makes it taste better. Finish your creation with a vial of olive oil and spread it all over the pizza. You can put the basil before or after you cook the pizza. I like to put it before. You should now see the edges of your pizza growing. This is a great sign. It means it's ready for the grill.